Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel.
What if I told you there's now a motorhome that drives itself?
Powers itself and feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Today, we're stepping inside a $1 million self-driving RV that pushes the boundaries of what travel and technology can do. And I promise, you won't believe what's inside. From the outside, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi film. Sleek metallic panels, flush glass, and no side mirrors, just high-definition exterior. Cameras feeding a 360-degree view to internal displays. It's aerodynamic, intelligent, and already turning heads wherever it goes. But the real magic happens under the hood, or more accurately in the software. This is a fully autonomous RV. No steering wheel, no pedals. You simply input your destination, and the onboard AI takes over. It scans road conditions in real time, manages routes, adjusts for weather, and even handles charging stops on its own. It doesn't just drive, it thinks. Inside, you're met with a living space that competes with high-end apartments. The floor is soft touch composite, with adaptive lighting throughout. The walls are embedded with OLED panels that double as ambient. Windows are entertainment centers. With a single voice command, your lounge transforms into a cinema, an office, or even a Zen meditation space. The kitchen is a work of futuristic art. Induction cooking, self-cleaning counters, a smart fridge that tracks expiration dates, and yes, a robotic espresso machine that remembers your exact brew. Every inch is optimized for comfort, space, and technology. Move to the rear, and you'll find a full-size bedroom that expands outward via hydraulic sliders. The bed is memory foam with climate controls. The ceiling mimics the night sky with customizable starlight patterns, while the walls can shift from transparent to privacy mode instantly. Then there's the bathroom. Heated floors, touch-free controls, a rainfall shower that recycles water through advanced filtration. The smart mirror greets you, tracks your health stats, and even offers morning news briefings while you brush your teeth. And here's the most mind-blowing part. It's completely electric. Solar panels across the roof adjust in real time for optimal sun exposure. The onboard battery can take you up to 800 miles per charge. It's quiet. It's clean. It's sustainable. No noise, no gas, no compromise. This is not a concept. This is real, it's rolling. And it's available, if you can afford the price tag. But whether you buy one or not, one thing is clear. This is the future of travel. Thanks for watching Auto Plus.